Alright guys, so welcome to a video where I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use your Ledger Nano X. So let's begin. My phone, I'm going to be logging in. I can also log in from on Ledger Live on my phone. I'm logged in on the computer for Ledger, so it's probably going to ask you to turn on your Ledger. You can also plug it in for much better compatibility. Desktop. The cord is not that long, so might have to kind of lean forward to. I might have to kind of lean forward to use it. So I'm putting in my pin right now. It's pretty easy to use. So if you ever get one, don't stress yourself out too much. It's all pretty straightforward. So the app and the device will guide you through the whole process. So I'm logged in. So you can pretty much transfer a lot. You can transfer a lot of crypto in here or tokens. I've transferred a few. As you can see, I have some Stellar, I have some USDC, which is stable coin, Altura. Then yeah. So once you set up your device, pretty much you're gonna have to set up your pin. You're gonna have to set up your phrases, or they will give you I think 24 different phrases that I've already saved them in paper copy and the metal plate fireproof copy. I will include in the description down below all the necessary stuff that you might wanna get for your ledger. I even also got a case, also a fireproof case, where you can put your ledger in. If like let's say you wanna like go somewhere, you don't want to just leave it in your house lying around. So it's also a must have, my opinion. So moving along, as you can see on the computer screen here, you could pretty much do the same thing on your phone. So I'm looking at on the menu right now, portfolio. If you go to market, you could go on the top right here and go to Ledger Live Compatible. Show you cryptos that are compatible with Ledger, a handful of them, um, or even some that are um, that can be what I did here on my ledger. So allow ledger manager. So gotta that and go. Ledger Nano X, as you I have about I've used about 600. I only 1 point. So if you want to get Dodge, you install that. So I have a few here that I've installed because um in order to obtain some tokens, like for instance in BNB system, you gotta have BNB installed in there. Um, for Ethereum, there are a lot of tokens under the Ethereum ecosystem, so you gotta have that installed as well. I haven't really done much with Cardano, so I haven't added that to my account. So you have to add it to your account after you installed, and also you're looking for other types of crypto, then you might want to go to no, not receive. Um, oh yeah, that's right. So you go to accounts and add account, search for the crypto that you're trying to obtain. That's pretty much it. It's all pretty straightforward. So once you get your pin set up, your 24 phrases written down and locked away in a safe place, you're all good to go. It's kind of like when you're transferring crypto from a centralized exchange to a decentralized exchange wallet. It's pretty similar. You just got to make sure that the crypto that you're transferring from a centralized or decentralized exchange into your ledger is compatible, and it should always tell you that if it's whether it's compatible or not. So that's that's really all. That's pretty much it. So if there's any question that you want to ask me, you can feel free to leave it in the comment section, or anything that you want to leave comment section. Feel free to leave it there. Other than that, if you guys haven't yet liked or subscribed to my channel, please do so. So that helps me a lot. Also with the algorithm of things. So I guess I will see you guys in the next future videos. Thank you again for watching. I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys learned useful today. Thank you.